Social amplification. What is it and why do you need it now? I'm Tanya Williams, Chief of Everything at Digital Conversations, and I want to talk social amplification with you. Social amplification is the collision of people, culture, and communication. It is about leveraging every moment of your digital marketing messages. Most companies use hope as a strategy when it comes to marketing. They throw money into the wishing well and hope it works. Doesn't sound like a smart way to market your business, does it? Particularly if you don't have an unlimited marketing budget. You can continue to throw money at your marketing and hope to get a result, a bigger audience, or more of the right eyeballs, or you can use social amplification to actually do it. Why spend more when you can leverage existing assets to massively increase your reach to those people you want to buy your product and service? It's a no-brainer. Social amplification focuses on three areas: escalating your visibility, amplification of content, and stealth market domination. Want to know more? Then book a time to find out how you can make this a reality for you.